What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be changing the console lid on a GMC Yukon. This is a 2015 Yukon here, but it's going to be the same on several different years. This is also going to be the same on the Yukon and the Suburban, as well as the Silverado and the Sierra that have a center console. So as you can see, this one's getting a little wrinkled up right here, as they often do. A lot of times they'll even crack or do that. So we're gonna go ahead and change it out. We have our new one up here, already kind of taken apart. So we need to flip the console lid up, and then this plastic bottom piece right here is gonna come off. I'm gonna use a trim tool here to get it off. This is gonna be ideal. If you don't have this, you can use a flathead screwdriver or something. You just need to be careful because it's real easy to scuff it up or break these. So you just kind of work your way around it. And there's just clips that we're pushing off of there until we get it started. Okay. So once we have that to the side, once we have that off, we can set that to the side. Now, what we need to unclip is the electronics. This particular one has the phone charger built in. If you don't have that built in, I don't believe there's any electronics. And I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but there's just a little clip in the back that you gotta push in. So it was like this in there. You need to push down that little tab and then it pulls straight down. So we're just gonna kind of get that out of your way for a second. And now there's gonna be 4 Phillips head screws that we need to remove. Here, here, and then same on this side. Here and here. Okay, so now our old lid is off. We can set that to the side. I'm gonna grab our new one. This one came on a frame similar to like this, and I've already taken it apart in the exact same way we just took the old one apart. So then we'll come over here, and you'll want to kind of line these little tabs up, or what's gonna go in the holes. Like that. Okay. Then we need to reconnect our electronics for the charger. You can do that now or after you screw it in. But we'll put our 4 bolts back on. I mean, really, that's about it. Rather than hold you guys up, I'm gonna throw these 4 screws back on, and then all you need to do is snap the cover back on. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.